Welcome to Label Resizer. In this video, I'll show you how to add the merchant SKU to your Amazon product labels using the Label Resizer Chrome extension. Start by going to the Product Settings page inside Label Resizer. Make sure you've selected the correct label size for your product labels. Then, find the option called Add SKU, enable it, and don't forget to save. Next, ensure the Label Resizer Chrome extension is installed and active. When you're on your Amazon Seller Central page, you'll see the Label Resizer Print button next to Amazon's default print buttons. Click the Label Resizer Print button, and your product labels will be generated based on your saved product label settings. Now, the merchant SKU will appear directly on your product labels. This helps you easily identify your products and reduce labeling mistakes. It's that simple. Use Label Resizer to make your labeling workflow faster, cleaner, and more accurate.